You don't have to give up the things that you love to take care of your health. Wellness isn't about restriction. It's not about deprivation. It's about intention. Because sweet things are part of life. They bring joy, connection, and make moments feel special. Today, I'm making a simple pistachio ice cream using just a few real ingredients. First, soak shelled pistachio in hot water for 10 minutes. Add it to a blender. Now add your milk. I'm using a blend of half coconut and half almond milk for a creamy, balanced texture. Some vanilla for flavor, a pinch of sea salt, and maple syrup for a natural sweetness. For that beautiful green color, I'm adding a little matcha green tea powder. No artificial dyes, just simple. Then it goes into the blender and blend until smooth. Here's where the magic happens. I'm using the Cuisinart ice cream maker. Let it churn for about 15 minutes until it transforms into a creamy, soft serve texture. And to finish, we top it with crushed pistachios for that extra crunch and flavor. And what I love most about this is that you're not just making dessert, you're taking ownership of your food. And this is what it looks like. You don't have to give up sweetness, you just have to redefine it. See full recipe in the caption. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.